Alright guys, here we go. No, I'm not Todd. It's Thursday, but we're not having poker. I'm filling in for Todd. Todd's going to be taking over on Saturday. Canada Post related dealio. So here we go. Thank you guys for saving me again tonight. We got a little room, tiny few prizes, and that's it. Terry, Sean, Ryan, Todd, Terry, Bill, Aaron, Matt. Hey, that helps. One team less to sell there. But Wes, Aaron, Brian, Wes, Aaron. Aaron got the ninja. Aaron's got lots of teams. She's awesome. Terry and Wes and Todd, all you guys did just wonderful tonight. Brian, both Brian's in here, and yeah, you got two good teams though, Bill. Chicago and Tampa are good. Oh yeah, true. Bin's down to 3 now, guys. All right, so before we do anything, I got to pull 12 darts for Aaron. Believe over how tiny these little packs of SPGUs are. Kind of cool. Aaron, double 3. Triple 3. Triple 18. I'd like to have more prizes for you guys, but I did take my normal amount for the dart kitty off this break, so. Double 4. Triple 16, which means I can probably add a box of score for you guys, because I don't know how much you like it. Four darts. Gotta keep you guys happy. You guys are happy, I'm happy. Blah, blah, blah. Middle 18. Halfway there for Aaron. The Leafs aren't losing by 10 goals yet, so it's a good night. Single 14. Double 10. Down to 2 in the bin, probably the expensive ones. Triple 12. Single 7. I'll be posting another SPGU box after this. Whoa! Whoa, we got the 6. I don't know if you need the 6 or not. But Wes did. And one more, double 17. And a 15. So the 6 might be needed by you. Somebody, one of you guys probably check for me and see if she needed that. I'm not sure. She might have won. We'll find out. So we got a little pack wars with Boxing Day packs, kind of us in it. But first, we got our little box. Well, she has the 3 already, so now you got the 6 and the 3. Aaron, 3, 7, 8. So that's a good $40 value, usually $30 to $40 value on the Boom Sauce card. So here's a little tiny little baby pack hobby box of SPGUs. It's only 1 pack now, no base, just 5 hits. And let's see it here too. Pack. I guess okay, this kind of sleeved off, so hopefully it doesn't take damage. Somebody needs to invent the way to package and get hockey cards undinged to the customer. A mega thick card on the back there. So I like to open these things up. Oh, we got a net cord. First card going to the Islanders and Terry B. Hey, there's the guy you wanted. Rookies out of $4.99 jersey, Griffin Reinhart. There you go. The bottom left corner has a little janky, but not too bad. A little janky on the bottom left. And another rookie for the San Jose Sharks and Boston Sean. Out of $4.99, Marco Mueller. Ooh. Nice card coming up. This is going to make Terry B happy, I think. I like this guy. Bull Horvat out of $4.99, 2 color. So 3 rookies out of $4.99. And, wow. And for Boston, Sean and the San Jose Sharks. Autograph. Chris Tierney, blue. I don't know what that's out of. It's no numbering on it. Sticker autograph. Chris Tierney. I guess it's just a base rookie auto. And we got a net cord. Pretty sweet looking. I love these things. It is for the Anaheim Ducks and Terry B. Taking her home, Francois Beauchemin. Way to kill this break, Terry. That's a nice net cord from the, whatchamacallit, Winter Classic or whatnot. Number 12 of 25. So, Terry definitely won the break. There's the scratches on the, right there. You can see it. It's scratched up. It is scratches. And a scratch on the back. In the middle right there. But still a nice card. Upper Deck don't know how to ship any cards without damage on them. Anyways, I'm going to go, okay, before we even do pack wars, I'm going to give away a couple autographs. Pretty dismal night for extra prizes. But SPGU is pretty expensive. But I have an autograph here I'm going to give away. It is Step on My Toe autograph from SPGU. Last year's. Or what is this? Yeah, it would be last year's. 13-14 SPGU. Yeah, dismal autos. Sorry. So, the winner of the Mato. It's a little prize. No hobby boxes tonight. That's what I meant. Is the Washington Capitals and Brian. Hey, you go, Brian. That card's yours. You got Stepped on Your Toe. And I have one more to give away. It's actually pretty nice. This is a trilogy autograph of Terry O'Reilly. Terry O'Reilly. Oh yeah, wait, that was Aaron, not the Winnipeg Jets. Aaron. Okay. Hey, Terry O'Reilly, Boston autograph. This is a sticker auto. Sean might like that one. Let's see who gets her. The St. Louis Blues and Terry B. You won the break. You might as well take away another Terry auto to go with it, friend. And we're gonna do pack wars. Terry for Terry. You got it. So is this Boxing Day packs? 10 people in it. You're gonna get the contents of the Boxing Day packs, and there's a couple thick ones in there, I think. I'm also throwing in some cards. Bobby Hall, Triple Diamond. It's been in the Cricket Rewards for about 12 years now. Marcus Foligno, Prism autograph. I'm going to go to the winner. And this is actually pretty cool. Phenom's autograph of Ryan Murray. So that's all I can muster for prizes tonight, guys. I see the bin is sold out. Thank you guys so much. I'll be posting another box of SPGU in a minute. There we go. I'm just going to shuffle up the packs. The winner's going to get those 3 cards and the contents of the packs. That's not too bad, eh, Ryan? Not too bad. We did okay. We didn't lose, so should shuffle them like that. And cut these. Off we go. An appeal. Ryan, that's a thick one, Ryan. Todd, thick one. Brian, thick one. Sean, thin. Matt, thin. Guess I shouldn't give it away. Wes, thin. Bill, thin. You can still win with a thin pack, obviously. Oops. Aaron, thin. It's a new language. Terry, thin. And Brian thin. Alright, so we're going to start with Ryan. See what he got. Last pack mojo for Brett Bullwinkle. Bobby Clark. And... oh, you got a mem. Aaron Gordon from the Magic. 2-color jersey swatch. Well, that's going to put you in the lead. Tools of the trade. Right off the bat. For you, Ryan. Todd, you're up. Now we got another jersey card. Like, I don't know basketball players. We got similar jersey cards. I'll be doing a roll-off for you guys. Jim Smelly. And... oh, Blake Griffin is just a thick base. So I'm going to say that the jersey card's still in the lead. Got 46 Blitz Brian coming up. Okay. Oh, Andrew Luck. Oh, look at that. I think you just lost your first place with the mem card because we got a nice autograph here. Andrew Luck base. And Julius Randle, Phenom's autograph kind of dealy. Yeah, so close, buddy. That's pretty cool. So there you go, Brian. Boom. In the lead. Just like that. Wes. Then I'll see if I can snipper. Wes has got to have a Watkins in here. Mike Trout and Blake Bortles out of $4.99. Well, that's not going to cut it for Wes. We got Boston Sean coming up. Yeah, I thought you had it for sure, Ryan. There's a mem card. Brendan Shanahan and George Springer out of $4.99. Basically just adding all this to Brian's pile. We got Matt's pack here. We got Kobe Bryant and Gregory Polanco out of $4.99. Bill. We got a short print cracked ice, so somebody good would probably do it. You got Brett Hull, the trader, and Exum out of $4.99. Aaron. Do we have any thick packs left? Let's see what Aaron's got. Peyton Manning and Manziel out of $4.99. Not going to cut it for Aaron. Terry B. There's another Johnny Busick autograph in here. Oh, Brett Hull. Oh, nice. Felix. Oh, Terry B. I'm sorry, you just won it. I'll take Brett Hull autograph over that other Phenom autograph any day. And Felix Botman. Terry, go buy some lottery tickets, my friend. And then Brian's going, oh. I got some really nice Boxing Day packs. Peyton Manning and Jose Abreu, who's awesome, actually awesome baseball player right there at $4.99. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I thought Ryan had it with the mem, nice 2-color mem. Not so much. Todd came along, nothing there. Thick base. Brian came in, really nice Lakers Phenoms basketball autograph. Couple base there. Couple base and a numbered, some base and numbered. And then Terry B says, yeah, I win this break big time because I just got all those cards and a Brett Hull autograph. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, break turned out pretty fun. Lots of nice stuff. Terry B, great job. Thank you guys for your support, and I'll catch you all on my next bin, which I'm going to be listing in a few minutes, and then I'll do the Crown Royal. So have a